Okay, we're starting off with a cup of our Dolly Parton frosting. Once we have that in our bowl, we're coming in with our no-bake cheesecake. You know I love this stuff. And we are going to add a few scoops of our cheesecake. I think 3 large scoops should be plenty. This is gonna be a delicious no-bake dessert that everyone will love. Now I have my Jet Puff marshmallow cream, and we are going to get a good amount of this cream out. This stuff is sticky, so I'm trying not to touch it with my hands, but I think about that much should be plenty. We are just eyeballing this. If you want to measure it, go for it, but I am not going to do that. Now that might be enough chocolate for you, but it is not enough chocolate for me. So I have my Hershey's chocolate syrup, and we're just gonna do a nice light drizzle into our bowl with all of those yummy ingredients. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. If you love chocolate, this is for you. And then before we mix this up, we are gonna add some extra creamy Cool Whip. I'm gonna bring back my scoop that I used for my cheesecake, and we are gonna add about 3 scoops of our Cool Whip. I didn't have time to let this thaw, and I think that is gonna be a problem, but don't worry, we'll make sure to mix this good. Okay, let's go ahead and get all of our frosting out of our whisk so that we can start using it for what its job is, and we are going to mix everything together. This is going to be a creamy, yummy, delicious dessert that everyone will love. We have the chocolate frosting, the no-bake cheesecake, the marshmallow cream, the Cool Whip, the Hershey's syrup. Oh my gosh, this is going to be absolutely delicious. So we are going to keep whisking this until it is fully combined. Okay, this looks so good, so creamy and delicious. Let's get this all out of our whisk so we can finish up this delicious dessert. We don't need this anymore. And I know this might be a little silly, but I have a smaller bowl here that I'm going to transfer our delicious mixture into. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a chocolate milkshake, and I am so excited because it kind of looks like a chocolate milkshake, but this is going to be so much better than a chocolate milkshake. It is just a nostalgic flavor that I think everyone can recognize and adore, and we're just making sure we get all of that right into our bowl so that it can look nice and pretty. Okay, we got that all out. Yum. And then we're instantly going to come in with a little bit of graham cracker crumbs. I know, it's throwing you off, huh? So we're just gonna add a little bit right on top, not too much. And then we have some marshmallow bits, which are my favorite because they have a little crunch to them. And we're just gonna do a couple of those right on top.
And get the marshmallows go out.
Perfect. And then last but certainly not least, you can't have s'mores without chocolate. Yeah, we made a s'more dessert dip. I've been seeing this all over the internet, and I was like, okay, I can't wait any longer. I have to try it. Okay, and you can't have a s'more dip without some dippers. So we are going to do some graham cracker pieces. Obviously, you can't do it without graham cracker pieces. My personal favorite, some strawberries, and we're just gonna kind of place that right onto our cutting board with all of our other yummy ingredients going on here. And just to finish this off super quickly, I have some mini pretzels. I love a salty sweet treat, so that's why I had to do the pretzels. They're not as pretty as the other dippers, but they are my favorite. All right, time to give it a try. I'm gonna go for a pretzel because that's what I like. And you're just dipping it. Oh my God, look at that. Hoo-hoo! I'm gonna double dip, but I haven't tried it yet, so is it technically double dipping?
No. Is it good?
Oh my gosh. That should be illegal. It's so good.